Hello, customer service.
Hello, my name is Madam Sandra.
Hello, customer service.
Hello, my name is Madam Sandra.
Hello, customer service.
Yes, hello. My name is
mercy
Sandra.
upon us.
I beg, now my internet they give me problem. I paid for that thing yesterday, and today now the thing just stopped to the work. Okay, they hear me. I thought say my name na Madam Sandra.
I could have killed a lot.
I beg, madam, take am easy. I dey hear you. You be dey try tell me say your internet stop to dey work. You don try to restart your brain.
What do you talk?
Sorry, I mean you don try to restart the system.
Listen, Oga, I don't restart them like 100 times. They know they still work.
It is smoky.
Take am easy, madam. I understand. No need to dey shout.
God have mercy upon us.
See this guy, who they shout on top you. I no shout, I they try explain to you.
Madam, I beg, calm down. Yeah? Please calm down. I go try look into your matter now. Please hold.
You dey use your generation to play.
This man.
Yes, madam, I just check our system finish now. And I discover say the person wey you pay money to, only 1,000 naira data na he do for you.
That's impossible, my brother. No possible. My money no fit disappear like that.
Madam, take am easy, take am easy. Don't worry, we'll get to the bottom of this matter. Please hold.
70 years old man.
You dey use your generation to play.
Madam, I'm back. It be like say, at the end of the day, our system was hacked. You know, the way they take hack INEC, and so they take hack our system.
Come, Oga, that one don't consign me. And come to think of it, the person when I pay money to, his name be like saying they call up Mr. Tom.
70 years old
Madam,
man.
that person wey they talk about now, that person no dey here again. No. They don't sack am last year.
Wait, Oga, the way we dey talk, I am suspecting, say that Mr. Tom na you. Two of them sound the same.
I beg, madam, that one no be me. That one no be me at all. So you go wait for 6 months make we investigate this matter, or you go give me another money make I do the data for you now.
Think say they wise.
Oh, I see say una be thief for that una company. Una be thief abi? Okay, no wahala. I dey come. Now don't enter one chance.
God have mercy upon us.
My spirit dey tell me say something bad won't happen. I need to quickly get out of the office early just to be on the safe side.
May God not allow them, make them kill you. Photo.
Officer, they thought say na the Mr. Tom be that. Na him be that.
Madam, I know this man now. Mr. Tom, now you again, what did they do for this office? Hey God, can't think be this one now. Madam, what did I do you now? Who sent you come? God. Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.